Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to edit and make the Vogue challenge for TikTok. Really easy to do. You guys are actually going to use an app called PicsArt. It is available on iPhone's App Store and Android's Google Play Store. So you guys can just head over to the App Store and grab that first, and then you guys can come back to the video and meet me where I'm at right now. So first things first, you guys want to head over to PicsArt, open up the application, and you guys want to click on the plus button at the bottom here. Now for the video's sake, I'm just going to search for a person. Just because I'm not going to use my own picture, but obviously you guys will be using your own picture at this point here. So I'm just going to click on a random picture here. First things first, when you open it up, you need to make it the right size for TikTok. So you guys want to click on the tools button at the bottom and click on crop. And once you've clicked on that, you guys can scroll down on the bottom and you'll see an option for a story. This size is for an Instagram story, but it's the same size as TikTok, so there's no need to worry about that at all. Once you click on the story option, you guys can just click on apply at the very top. And then once that's done, you guys can click on stickers at the bottom and then just search for Vogue here. Then you guys can choose from whatever option you see here. There's tons of different Vogue stickers you can choose from. So let's click on this blue one right here. And then once it's on, you can just use the little arrows at the bottom here to drag it to make it bigger, just like that. And then you can drag it up to the very top. And then once you're done, you can just click on apply. And then once you've decided that you're finished with it, you can just click on next. And then you just want to click on share to photos. Then we'll just save it to your camera roll. And then you're done with this application. You guys can head back over to TikTok. Then once you're in TikTok, the first thing you need to do is go to the search bar at the top and search for Vogue challenge. Then once that's loaded up, you guys just want to head over to the hashtags here and just click on one of the videos. Just for the purpose of getting the song from the videos and then just adding it to your favorite. So we're just going to click on one of the videos here. And then you will see at the very bottom, there's the songs at the bottom here. You want to click on that. And I just want to add that song to your favorites. Once that's added to your favorites, you guys can go ahead and exit out of this completely. And then the idea here is to click on the plus button at the very bottom to create your own TikTok. And then what you guys want to do here is click on sounds at the top, go to favorites, click on the sound that you just favorited, the check mark. Then you guys want to head to the bottom here and click on image. And you guys want to choose your image that you have. Click on slideshow there. And then it'll take a second to process. And now you see you have your TikTok with the Vogue filter and that's how you guys can go ahead here and post it now. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.